Hello everyone, this tutorial is going to explain you how to convert your Prestashop store into a full-fledged marketplace by the help of our advanced marketplace module. To start with, you have to log in to your Prestashop backend. Write your email address over here. Now the password and log in. Once you are logged in, you can see the Prestashop dashboard. Click on Modules and Services. Add a new module. Choose the GIF file you have downloaded and upload it. Uploading will take some time. Write Marketplace in search bar and search. Now you can see the Marketplace. Click on Install button to install the Marketplace module. You have successfully installed the Marketplace on your Prestashop. Go to My Shop to check out your front end, which will be visible to your users. This is how your marketplace will look like. Now users can easily become sellers on your store. They just have to sign in and create a new account. Let's create a new account. The user has to fill some details. And then register. After creating an account with the help of Seller Requests tab, users can send seller requests to become seller on your store. Congrats! You have successfully created converted your store into a marketplace. In previous video, we have explained you the installation of Marketplace module. Now let's see how admin can have full control on the seller. Go to the module configuration page. Here you can set the approval setting. You can set either manual or auto approval settings for the seller requests, seller products and seller reviews. If set to no, then the request will be auto approved, and if set to yes, then admin has to manually approve each request one by one. Let's set each one of them as yes and click on save to save the changes. Now to check the flow of the module, we have to go to the customer account where he can set the seller request to become seller on your store. For that, he has to fill a form. Let's fill the shop name, then the shop description, after that the shop logo, then the seller name, then his phone number, next one is fax number, business email ID, then his address, his Facebook ID, if there is one, his Twitter ID, these are not the mandatory fields. Now he has to agree the terms and condition and click on register to register himself as a seller. As admin has selected to approve by himself, then the seller request has sent to admin. Now he has to approve it. Go to backend. Here you can see the marketplace management tab. Go to manage seller profile tab. Here you can see the seller request and the status is pending. Admin will approve this status. After approval, the seller can see his marketplace account from where he can manage his shop. Now seller will add product by filling a short form. He can choose the condition of the product, whether it is new, used or refurbished. He has to give some base price, quantity. He can select the category, upload the image and add product. Now he can see the product list from product list tab. See the status, it is pending. Now admin has to approve the product. Go to backend marketplace management tab and manage seller product. You can see the status is pending and there is no Prestashop product ID. Once the status is approved, it will create a Prestashop product ID, and on front end seller can see the status is changed to approved. Now this product is visible to all the users. Now let's sign up as a user or as a customer. As a customer can see the seller product. He can click on the product to go to the product page. Now, if customer wants to write the reviews for the seller, then he can visit the seller profile and can write the review over here. Give the rating and send the request. Since admin has activated that he will manually approve the product seller's reviews. So now check the backend, go to Marketplace Management tab, and in the Manage Seller Reviews, you can see the status of the review is pending. Now you can change the status to approved. Now there is no pending reviews. Now let's sign in again as a seller to check the seller reviews. To check the seller review, go to the seller profile. You can see the seller review is now activated on the seller profile, and every user can see that seller review. This is how an admin can have full control on the seller. Hello everyone, we are back to tell you more about advanced marketplace module features. Today we will let you know how to set commission. Let's start. Go to Marketplace Management tab. From here you have to visit Manage Admin Commission tab. As on the Manage Admin Commission page, you can see here we can set two types of admin commissions. One, per seller commission, that is for different sellers, different commission rates. And one is global commission. This commission will be applicable to all the sellers equally. Let's start with the per seller commission rate. Here you have to add admin commission. There is no active marketplace seller right now. So let's delete this commission rate and add admin commission. Now you can see there is one seller and we are adding commission rate for him, let's say 5%, and save this. We have successfully created a commission rate for John Doe seller. Now on the global commission, let's write any of the commission rate, let's say 10. On this page you can see the tax distribution tab also. Admin can select this to whom he want to send the tax, only to admin, only to seller, or he want to distribute between seller and admin proportionally. Let's say only to admin and save it. Now to check the flow, we can go to the seller account. From here, while adding product, seller can see the admin commission set for him. If admin has configured that, the seller can see the commission rate. Now let's sign in as a customer. From here the customer can buy the seller product. With the help of easy checkout process, customer can order the product. Customer has successfully ordered the product. Now, at the back end, in the Marketplace Management tab under the Manage Seller Order, admin can see the seller's order. Total earning is 2000 and total commission is 150. There are 2 orders. So right now he has set one order that is of 1000 and he is getting 50 rupees according to the 5% commission rate. This is how he has successfully created commission rate for per seller. Hello, today we are going to show you how the order and payment management is done in our marketplace module. To start with, we have created an account as a customer. Now the customer will find the desired product. He will go to the product page, can see the descriptions and then add the product in the cart. From here he can proceed to checkout. By the help of simple checkout process, customer can create an order. Customer has successfully created an order. A mail will be sent to the customer that will be a confirmation mail that he has placed an order. Now we will sign in as a seller. Now seller can see the order placed by the customer in his orders. See, the order is placed by the DOE customer. The order was for cool product. The quantity of the product was 1. Here is the shipping address of the customer and the invoice address of the customer. From here, the seller can change the status of the order. Say he has got the payment, then he will send the mail to the customer that the payment is accepted and update that status in this order. Payment is accepted. Now seller can ship the product and change the status. Once he will ship the product, a page will hover where he can write the shipping description and shipping date. Let's see. Shipping date is and submit. The status is updated and the product is shipped to the customer. The seller can also write the tracking number for the customer. Say 1, 2. This is how the tracking number is also updated by the seller. Now, at the back end, the admin can see the seller orders in Manage Seller Orders. He can go to the Manage Seller Order, and from here he can see the seller and his orders like this. Now, from Manage Seller Order, the admin can also manage the seller's order. Say this is the order. This is the order page, and from here he can also update the status and can see what is the product which has been ordered by the customer. This is how the order is placed. Now you must be thinking how module is managing the admin and seller share. So I would like to tell you that in a module, whole payment made by the customer will go to the admin's account, and then admin has to provide seller share at his end. For that, admin will provide different payment modes through which he wants to transfer seller share. He can go to the marketplace management and then manage payment mode. From here, he can add different payment methods like or this is how he has successfully created different payment modes. Now, seller has to give his payment details. He will go to the payment detail tab. From here, he will select the payment mode and give his detail. And save it. Seller has given this detail to the admin so that his share will transfer to his account. Hello everyone, in previous videos we have explained you various features of our marketplace module. This video is to summarize those features. In this video, we have shown the backend and front-end customization all together. So, we will start with the configuration of the module. As you already know that you can set different approval settings from here, can enable the visibility of admin commission to seller, can also set the terms and conditions. Apart from this, you can also enable or disable the seller details. You can customize the seller details and change the theme settings, that is front-end page title text background or front-end page title text color by the help of a beautiful color bar. And click on Save to save the changes. Now at back end you can see various tabs. We will start with the Manage Seller Profile. Here you can view the list of seller requests and can manage the status and details of the seller. Now the second tab is Manage Seller Product. Here you can view the list of seller products and can manage the status and the details of the seller products. Third one is Manage Admin Commission. You can manage the admin commission and can add per seller commission as well as global commission rate. Next one is Manage Seller Orders. Here you will be able to see the seller, and then on clicking on view you can see the order of the particular seller. From here you can manage the seller's orders. Next one is Manage Payment Mode. Here you can add various payment methods through which you want to transfer seller share. And the last one is Manage Seller Reviews. You can manage seller reviews requests from here. Now, in the marketplace account at front end for the seller, you can see different tabs. We will start with the account dashboard. Here, as we have changed the page title, text background and color, so the color has been changed. And the seller can see the recent orders as well as the order graph on the account dashboard. Now on the edit profile, seller can edit his profile if he wants to change any of the detail he has given while sending the seller request. Next one is seller profile. This is the page which will be visible to customer when they will click on seller profile button on product page. And this is how the customer can see the seller profile. Now moving toward the next, that is shop. Again, this will help customers to view seller shop details. Collection. Through this page, customer can view all the products of the seller. All the three tabs, that is the seller profile, shop and collection, will be visible on the product page to the customer. Next one is add product. With the help of the add product tab, seller can add new products to his account. Let's say short description, then the long description, the condition of the product, its base price, its quantity, and then we can add product. Now from product list, seller can view all the products he has added and can edit them or delete them, or if he wants to change the image, then he can edit the image from here. Next one is order. From here seller can see his orders, and by clicking on the order he can see the status of the order. If he wants to change, he can update the status, he can update the tracking number, and the last one is payment detail. Here seller will provide his detail to the admin so that his share will be transferred to him. This is how you have successfully created an awesome marketplace